ये है न्यू M40i which is launched. This is the M grey color. इसमें काफ़ी एक्सेसरीज भी हैं, पीछे देखो स्पॉइलर वगैरह भी है. सो
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done.
Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. So as you guys can see, this is the new M340i which is in front of me. It has been launched in the Joy Town event of Delhi, and this is priced at 69 lakhs ex showroom. Okay, as you guys can see, the grill is functional, so as soon as it needs cooling, वो जो grill है वो खुल जाती है. These are the functional air dams. The lights are new, but these are not laser lights, adaptive LEDs हैं. And this custom coating is the accessory part. बाकी this is a metallic grey M का एक M color है. You don't get it normally. बाकी these are the 20-inch alloy wheels with red M brake calipers. ठीक है, and ये भी I guess accessory का part है या फिर I don't know. बाकी M badging, and this is the look from back. पीछे से इतना कुछ चेंज नहीं है, just the thing is ये diffuser चेंज हुआ है. ठीक है, this is the 340i badging. बाकी this is how it looks. As you can see, the interior is new. ठीक है, and it has a sunroof, not a panoramic but normal one. ठीक है, बाकी the gear shifter is gone. Now it's the button thing only. ठीक है, this car is powered by a 3-liter inline 6 B58 engine which produces 500 Nm torque and 387 bhp, which is the fastest by any Indian assembled car. 0 to 100 is claimed 4 seconds, but it goes even less than that, 3 seconds, 3.5 seconds में जाती है. This is the fastest M car which is assembled in India, or the fastest car which is assembled in India. ठीक है, this is not a CBU unit, this is a CKD unit. तो बाकी these are front parking sensors available here, functional air dams. ठीक है, these are there for cooling. बाकी this is the new light, looks good. और क्या है, these are dual blade wipers and Alcantara seats हैं which would be I guess 8-way adjustable, and this is the new interior. ठीक है, boots, this is around 4800 mm in height, ground clearance would be around 150. ठीक है, this is the shark fin antenna, this is the part of accessory, BMW accessory का part है. And starting with the wheels, these are P20 20-inch alloy wheels with red M brake calipers. ठीक है, let me see the tire size, दोनों का सेम है कि अलग अलग है. This is 255 35 19 and run flat tires obviously because BMW uses run flat tires, and this is 225 40 19. so this means वो टायर बड़ा है इससे, this is small tire, मतलब width में छोटा है वो पीछे, because this is X drive, all wheel drive, so it channels power to the all 4 wheels. ठीक है, बाकी इसमें क्या होता है कि you can switch it off and make it a rear wheel drive car also for drifting and all these purposes. बाकी this is, it can easily cross 260 km/h, but it is logged at 260 by the company. This is the looks. Guys, this is the B58 engine, 387 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Inline 6 है, it has a single turbo. Where is it here? बाकी batteries are at the back for 50-50 weight distribution. ठीक है, then this is the fastest Indian manufactured car, 4.4 seconds claim करते हैं, but more than 3.3 seconds में हो जाता है 0 to 100. बाकी this is the B58 engine used in Z4, X5 M40i, X7, all the 40i engines. This is the same engine. It is not a completely M car, but parts are shared from M Performance. So this is the straight inline 6. बाकी ये filter है ये, and brake fluid ये सब, washer fluid is there. This is how it looks. So guys, this is the petrol fuel filler cap, only comes in petrol and obviously BS6. These are the new LED tail lights, and this is the brake light, this is the rear fog light, only one is there, one is a reverse light, and And guys, finally in the driver's seat. Okay, so first things first, this car is very low. Wait, let me just set it to according to my height. Okay, cool. See guys, this is one of my favorite cars and I would want to be owning one of them. So guys, this is how the steering looks. And ये है पूरा नया system इसका. iDrive controller and the gear shifter is gone. Now it's button system. But I don't think this is, many people will like it. But yeah, that is what BMW is offering now. Paddle shifters. These are auto lights, or sorry, automatic wipers, automatic lights. This is the new system. Baki, or AC controls also, you have to go here. So you have to change it. You have to do AC on and all from here, from the screen itself. There are no controls here, only defogger and front defogger gets an option. Baki, you have cup holders here, wireless charging. Then this is the seat, the driver seat, the passenger seat, and it gets a manually adjustable thigh support. Then there is space here. Then there is this good carbon fiber kind of finish. And if you guys can see, thoda sa steering mein change aaya hai. It is little hexagonal now. Baki, these are chrome door handles, and this is the light function, ambient lighting. If you guys can see, ambient lighting here as well. Baki, iDrive controller, and then there is place for your stuff, which is not a lot, but okay. Then here is the sunroof, which is not panoramic, but let's see if it can be opened. Okay, it is not working right now. Then this is electrochromic rear view mirror. Then M paddles, if you guys can see, M paddles, and it has memory seats, Harman Kardon system, 1, 2, comes a subwoofer also. These are the lights, and then it gets a vanity mirror on the light. You have a grab handle to hold on to. Baki, this seat is very comfortable guys, बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. I don't know what it does, but yeah. Okay, that is nice, comfortable, very comfortable. So guys, this is the boot option. यहाँ से 2 बार bonnet खुलता है. Like you have to pull it 2 times to open the boot. Baki, guys, it's an amazing place to be in. I'll tell you some facts of this car. It is India's fastest production car. So this car is not manufactured outside. This car is manufactured in India. Sorry, not manufactured, it is assembled in India. It is a CKD unit and it is amazing. It is the fastest production car in India and goes from 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. But it is claimed, so people are doing it in less than that time. Okay? So this is the whole general thing of the car. Guys, इसमें क्या-क्या change हुआ पुरानी M340i से. This whole curved display is new. You get a heads-up display. Guys, बाकी gear shifter चला गया है and आगे से change हुआ है. ये पूरा interior थोड़ा सा change हुआ है guys. बाकी पीछे से diffuser is changed, and if you come around in the front, guys, यहाँ पे ये change हुआ है. The grille, the whole frontal fascia, that is changed. Rest of all, बाकी सब same है like the old one. So guys, if you liked it, give this video a like button, share it, subscribe to the channel, and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you guys on another one. Bye bye, take care, have a good journey, have a good day. See you.